If you're considering making the leap from renter to homeowner, congratulations, smart move. Here's a few quick facts every house hunter should know about getting that pre-approval. We start by meeting with a local mortgage lender. A mortgage lender is a licensed financial professional that does a lot of work for you as the home buyer. They will help you gather the documents, pull your credit history, verify your income, employment, and negotiate on your behalf regarding the terms and length of available loans. Pay stubs and bank statements are usually updated every 60 days. Credit reports are also updated every few months. The pre-approval does not guarantee you a certain rate and is not a loan, but it does give you the okay to start shopping for a home as you gather the documentation. With interest rates going up, pre-approval amounts change fast. Ask a realtor you trust what the best plan of action is going to be for you. I work with trusted local lenders who can help you see if now is the best time for you to get pre-approved to buy your dream home. And if it's not the time, don't worry. They will work out a plan of action to get you into your home in the near future. Call, text, email me today to get you on the road to homeownership. And remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do.